Most people think higher heat means stronger flavor. But garlic reacts differently. Garlic is delicate, and it changes very fast under intense heat. When garlic hits very high temperature, sugars burn quickly. Burned garlic does not taste strong. It tastes bitter. That bitterness spreads into the entire dish. Even small pieces can dominate the final flavor. The problem is not garlic itself. The problem is uncontrolled heat. During the first seconds, garlic contains natural sugars and sulfur compounds. These compounds react aggressively. Under high heat, if the pan is too hot, browning becomes burning instantly. There is almost no transition phase. Professional kitchens treat garlic with precision. They rarely add it at maximum heat. Instead, they lower the flame slightly first. Then garlic cooks gently for a short moment. This allows aroma to develop. Without bitterness, you get sweetness instead of harshness. Another common mistake is adding garlic first. Oil overheats before anything else is present. When garlic touches overheated oil, burning starts immediately. The surface darkens before flavor stabilizes. That first layer of bitterness cannot be removed later. Even adding liquid does not fully fix it. High heat works for searing meat, but garlic needs moderate control. Think of garlic as a flavor amplifier. If burned, it amplifies bitterness instead. Timing is everything. With small ingredients, seconds make the difference between sweet and bitter. You should smell garlic, not see it darken heavily. Light golden is enough for proper flavor release. If you see dark brown edges, you waited too long. Flavor has already shifted. The safest technique is adding garlic mid-process. Let other ingredients stabilize heat first, then introduce garlic. At controlled temperature, stir briefly and move forward quickly. This protects aroma and balance. Your dish stays clean and rounded. Many people blame recipes when flavor feels harsh. Often the real issue was burnt garlic. Lowering heat slightly changes everything. Gentle cooking preserves complexity. Once you control garlic timing, your dishes taste deeper without bitterness. And that small adjustment creates a huge difference in final flavor.